Hi, who are you?
Oh, hey, Tammy. I'm the superintendent, just checking out your bus.
What do you think?
I think it's awesome. I'm ready to, well, I guess I need the license, but otherwise I'd be ready to go.
Well, we'll see about that.
All right. So tell me what you really like about being a school bus driver in Bloomington.
I love driving a bus. And I love children. I've had a lot of different jobs in my life, but by far this is the best job I've ever had. It's the most rewarding. It is the most important. I'm the first person some of these kids see in the day. I'm the last person. I try to be a role model, and I think it works.
If somebody were to become a driver, do you have any tips you would give them?
You first gotta get to know the bus, then get to know your route, then get to know all your kids. I know all my kids by name. I greet them in the morning, I greet them in the afternoon. I want to lead by example, and I can do that by being the best bus driver I can and by being a good example to the kids that I transport. Have a good weekend, gentlemen.
See ya.
I will, thank you.
When you started, what was the most intimidating thing of driving a school bus?
The big bus.
Just the size of the thing?
But once you get to drive it, I would rather drive this bus any day than my regular vehicle. It's a great job. It's a part-time job. It's flexible to some extent. And look at my big picture window, it's great. I get to see the changing seasons. I get to see the sun out every day. A lot of people in their offices don't get that opportunity, but I do, and I wouldn't trade it for the world.
Hello everybody, you remember last month if you follow the Melbye Monthly when I said spring has sprung? Well, this time I actually mean it. It's great, it means we're in the home stretch. We're in the really the final month of the school year. And I gotta say, I'm so proud of our students and our families and our staff. We've made it through the year. We stayed in-person learning the whole year, and that came with a lot of effort from our families, from our students, from our staff, obviously. So I wanna say thank you. They say teamwork makes the dream work, and I see that happening in Bloomington Public Schools all the time. Our staff have maintained their focus and their positivity through the challenges of this year. We're coming into summer. That means we need staff to help us with our summer programming, and frankly, we're already planning for next fall, and we need staff to come and help us out next fall. So you heard from Tammy, our bus driver, earlier in the video, and heard what a great job it is. I think she did a great job of explaining why being a bus driver is so much fun and so rewarding for folks in our community. So I'm going to encourage folks who are seeing this, who may be thinking, yeah, I'd like to do some part-time work with the district this summer, next fall, go to our website. Our Human Resources page has all of our job openings, and you can always call them to get more information. You know, when I get out and visit programs and buildings, I'm just so impressed with how engaged our staff are in working with the students in Bloomington and working with the families in Bloomington and working with each other. And like you saw earlier with Tammy, our school bus driver, those are the kind of great employees we have in Bloomington. A lot of our employees live in Bloomington, work in Bloomington, through and through Bloomington folks, and that's what we're looking for. So again, please don't hesitate to check out our district website. We have all sorts of job opportunities for people, and we encourage great Bloomington folks to apply for those jobs. Spring!